So this is the behind the scenes of the trailer making today for the YouTube channel. And some lighting, camera, manuscript, another lighting. Here we have some gear we're gonna show in the trailer. Yeah, so that's the behind the scenes.
I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young.
Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Yeah, but not ours. Not you and me. No. Yeah, but Christopher and Jonas. And sometimes my cousins, Jessica and Sarah. Yeah, I forgot about those. So, do you want to know the gear we use for our YouTube channel? DJI Mavic Air and iPhone XR and DJI Osmo Mobile 3 and GoPro Hero 8 and with the media mode, and I think that's it. That is so lame. Don't you have more stuff? Come on. So please subscribe and hit the bell button for more travel and theme park videos. Just press the button. Come on, click. Goes fast, I promise. Super fast, super easy. You can do it.